So in this video, you'll learn how to verify your Bluesky account. So the first step is to navigate to Settings. And if you're using your phone, you'll want to tap on this hamburger icon in the top left corner and then select Settings. If you're using your web browser there, you can just click on Settings that's currently being displayed on your screen. So once you've selected Settings, you then want to tap on Account. And then underneath your email, you should see this notification that says Verify your email. So you want to tap on it, and then you want to send the confirmation code to your email so that you can verify your account. So tap on Send Confirmation, just copy it, and then paste it on this space right here. Or if you're using your phone, then you'll have to write it down so that you can type it in there. So once you've entered in the code, you want to tap on Confirm and then Close. Once it's told you, Success. Thank you. Your email has been very successfully verified, so tap on Close. Now when you go back to your account settings, you should see a check mark next to your email, which means that you successfully verified your Bluesky account.